China and Russia are revealing a joint plan for a lunar space station. Space hype extends outside of the private American companies or NASA. It apparently goes into China and Russia as well. Remember the space race, Will?
Yeah.
Who's going to get there? Who's going to do what?
Yeah.
Well, they're going
land on the moon.
Yeah, or something like that, you know. Lunar space station. That's cool. Look at these guys. Russian space agency Roscosmos said in a statement Tuesday it has signed an agreement with China's National Space Administration to build a complex of experimental research facilities created on the surface and or in the orbit of the moon. A moon station, Will.
Cool.
They said it would carry out multidisciplinary and multi-purpose research work, including the exploration and use of the moon, lunar observations, fundamental research experiments, and technology verification, with the possibility of long-term unmanned operation with the prospect of a human presence on the moon. You know, it's funny. You hear something like this and you realize, oh yeah, the moon, so much more feasible.
Yeah, it's shorter distance than
So
Mars.
close. It's not as fun as Mars, and it's kind of bland. There's not a lot of going on there, or not as much compared to Mars, and certainly not sustainable from a life perspective without some tremendous number of supplies and things. Like, I think the cool part about Mars is that there is frozen stuff. They could thaw the frozen stuff and then
Frozen stuff.
like
I guess so.
mineral water, minerals and ice and and whatever else. If they could find a way to get energy in there, no, they would have to create the atmosphere. There isn't much of an atmosphere on Mars, if at all, actually.
Are there clouds?
No, I don't. Actually, we should verify this. I don't think does Mars have an atmosphere? I don't think so. It's much thinner than Earth's. Okay. The red planet's atmosphere contains more than 95% carbon dioxide and much less than 1% of oxygen. People would not be able to breathe the air on Mars. Okay, so it has a very thin atmosphere. I think the atmosphere needs work. But I guess that's what humans would have to figure out when they got there. Anyway, I guess the point I'm trying to say is if you want to do a permanent base that isn't in orbit and you want to do it in the cosmos somewhere, it would seem like figure the moon out, have a permanent location there.
Yeah. That could be a beta
I wonder
mission.
why it hasn't been and there's like not very much interest there.
Yeah, they could practice.
There must be
sending robots.
There must be some reason. There must be some reason.
The dark side of the moon.
I don't know. Scary stuff, Will.
Uh-huh.
But they've been there, or have they?